Sunday morning, hindi ko na makita yung games sa mga e-wallets.
Apo, wala na po.
Pag may nakikita po ako, i-contempt kita. So sa Saturday, in-expect natin na committee na ito na wala ng games yan sa e-wallet na yan.
So kung may mamatay ng 48 hours kasi nalulundon, okay lang sa atin o sayang kita? Hindi po ba? Seryoso, pinag-uusapan natin eh. Lokohan ba to? Be very clear here kasi hindi lokohan tong hearing na to eh. Dapat daw mahigpit pero wala namang aksyon. Before I ask Pagcor, 2 or 3 points lang. Deputy Governor, can you clarify? Sabi niyo kanina kay Senator Marcoleta, may order na kayo na tanggalin yung links.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, hindi sumusunod sa inyo. Do you have GCash?
Yes, Your Honor.
I-open nyo yung GCash mo ngayon. Nandiyan pa huli yung link.
We gave them 48 hours,
So-
Your Honor, to take down the links.
When did you order, Deputy Governor?
Today, Your Honor.
So, can you please, I know, sir, sa banking, very conservative, you have a very good reputation. Pero please speak very clearly to us. Diba? What you did on July 25, nag-circulate kayo ng proposal sa mga e-wallet at hinintay nyo pa yung kanilang reply. Tapos today lang kayo nag-order. Kasi may hearing today.
Your Honor, if I may.
Hindi, kasi ang sagot nyo kay Senator Marcoleta, kulang na lang pumalakpak ako eh. Papalakpak kasi dapat talaga ako kasi at least umaksyon kayo kaagad. Kasi yung governor nyo, ang ganda ng statement, dapat daw mahigpit. Pero wala namang aksyon. You know, I will stop there, Deputy Governor. But be very clear here kasi hindi lokohan tong hearing na to eh. 'Di ba? Sana sinabi yung kanina, sir, it took us time and everything, but we're giving them 48 hours. Eh sinabi nyo, hindi, you ordered them na eh. Pag binuksan mo ngayon, meron eh. Hindi po ba? Seryoso, pinag-uusapan natin eh. Lokohan ba to? So please, sir, di ba, ano lang, konting pagiging forthright naman at konting ano tayo pag nag-uusap dito, di ba? Ang Pagcor mahirapan sumagot kasi trabaho nila magnegosyo ng ano eh, ng gaming eh. That's why, di ba, we'll allow them to ano. But you get my point, sir. Okay, so 48 hours makakaasa kami na tanggal na lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why do they need 48 hours? Isn't that instant naman? DICT, pag sinabi ko today, tanggalin nyo yan, hindi kaya ng technical ng mga e-wallets yun? So ano, balato muna, 2 more days?
With the permission of our Secretary, Mr. Chair.
Yes or no lang, sir? Para
Yes, it can be done right away, Mr. Chair.
So sir, why do we give them 48 hours pa kung sure naman kayo? So kung may mamatay ng 48 hours kasi nalulundon, okay lang sa atin o sayang kita?
Your Honor.
Hindi ko naintindihan eh kasi binigyan nyo since it's August 14 eh. Binigyan nyo since July 5. You know, if you call them into the room, you are the central bank eh. So I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, I'm just talking in terms of from the Committee on Banks, di ba? I was briefed. Conservative, these are gentlemen, etc. But if you called everyone into the room on July 5 and everyone pumayag, the next day, July 26, wala. You come here in the day of the hearing, you know all of the cameras are here, representing the central bank, telling Senator Marcoleta, wala nang links, then nung tinignan ko meron, then we're giving them 48 hours na hindi naman nila kailangan ng 48 hours. Bakit po? Bakit tayo ganun?
Your Honor, we gave them sufficient time for all of them to
Sir,
remove-
the ICT just said now, they can do it instantly. Wala kayong technical people sa central bank? Kayo nagre-regulate ng e-wallets eh. Or sayang yung kita nung 2 days.
Your Honor, it's because of that reason to give them time to take them down, lahat sila, and also to give adequate or prompt information to the public. So for
Sir, number 1, July 25 pa yung memo nyo. At pumayag sila. So alam na nila. So naghahanda na sila. Oh, number 2, the public, sila nga ang biktima eh. Sila ang biktima. Why do they need to notice na kung gusto nilang sugal, they can do it otherwise, but they do not go to the link. Anyway, I'm taking up too much time, but sir, please, you know, I look forward to working with you. I'm sorry, ikaw yung nandito in the central bank, pero central bank is one of the most respected institution na may political will dito. Ang monetary board is independent. So, pag sinabi yung decisive yung action, decisive tayo. Yeah. Sir, may I move to PAGCOR? First of all, may I start by thanking you na meron know your customer.
Senator Cayetano, balikan ko lang po si BSP. Kailan mo magtatapos itong 48 hours?
It starts from today.
Kailangan po matatapos. Anong araw po yan?
That's 2 days sa Saturday, Your Honor.
Sa Saturday. So sa Saturday, ina-expect natin na committee na ito na wala ng games dyan sa e-wallet na yan.
By end of Saturday.
Sa Saturday.
Opo.
Anong oras po sa Saturday? Umaga, tanghali, gabi?
48 hours po, so we give them until the end of Saturday to remove.
End of the Saturday. So ibig sabihin, sige, pagbibigyan kita, Sunday morning, hindi ko na makita yung games sa mga e-wallets.
Opo, wala na po.
Pag may nakita po ako, i-contempt kita. Pwede po. Para malinaw po tayo, hindi yung, sabi nga ni Senator Cayetano, wag mo ninyo biro-biruin ng komite na ito. We have a problem. We have a crisis. Hindi po ito basta-basta. We are facing crisis, Mr. BSP, sir. And when you say, Saturday po, huling oras na Saturday, sige, pagbibigyan kita hanggang Sunday. Pag Sunday morning, meron pa pong mga games sa mga e-wallet, sir. Iko-contempt ka namin.
Yes, Your Honor. And we'll also take, we will sanction also the concerned BSP.
Mr. Chairman, if I may, Mr. Chairman, if I may, just very short, Mr. Chairman.
Right.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I would respectfully object, Mr. Chairman, to that statements made by Central Bank in saying that they need time 48 hours to take it down, while we heard from ASEC Paraiso a while ago that they can do it right away. I just don't get it, Mr. Chairman. Forgive me, Your Honors, my dear colleagues. It is not acceptable yung answer bakit kailangan ng 48 hours. We wanted to protect the public eh. Namamatay na nga yung mga tao eh. Numbers don't lie. These facts, these reports, ang dami pang hindi nare-report, Mr. Chairman. Kausap mo lang yung isang governor sa isang probinsya dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya, halos araw-araw may nagpapakamatay dito, pare. Bakit di natin ma-stop? Again, Mr. Chairman, I'm really sorry. It is not acceptable yung binibigay na sagot kung bakit hindi natin maisara ngayon kung kaya naman. Ngayon, if there's another answer, Mr. Chairman, that would convince this representation na bigyan pa rin ng 24 hours, sige ho, I will agree. But right now, the answers being given to us, Mr. Chairman, hindi ho acceptable. Sorry. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Villeneuve. Yes.
Sandali lang po, Mr. Chairman. We'd like to clarify the statement of the BSP representative because very important po yan. Is your statement is within 48 hours, you will ban the apps on the e-wallets or you will ban e-wallets to be utilized by these gambling operators? That's two different things, ha? Kasi yung apps, tanggal lang yan. Ibig sabihin, walang advertising. Pag punta mo sa GCash, sa PayMaya, hindi na lalabas yun. Pero iba yan sa pinagbabawal nyo ng paggamit ng e-wallets sa pagbayad nitong gaming na ito. Let's clarify that. If you're saying the latter, which is to ban, then I am with you, I support you, and I congratulate you if you can do that within 48 hours. So let us clarify, Mr. Chairman, ano ba talaga? Yung pagtanggal lang ng advertising apps sa e-wallets or pagtanggal talaga ng e-wallets sa paggamit sa pagpusta nito mga games na ito?
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead.
dito kay BSP kay Governor, what's your name, sir?
Mamerto Tangonan, Your Honor.
Ba't kinakailangan pa ng isang araw na palugit? 48, ba't kinakailangan pa ng 48 hours? Eh sabi nga na dito, isang pindot lang yan, tapos na wala na yung apps na yan. Ba't kinakailangan palugit? Para marami pang pwedeng tumaya? Para meron pang mga kukuha ng porsyento sa mga taya na yun?
Mr. Chair,
Sir, I'm
May,
asking
may
him.
I interject?
Sir, excuse me. I want him to answer my question.
Senator Rafi, finish first.
I want him to answer my question, Senator. Pakisagot lang po yung tanong ko. Ba't kinakailangan ng 48 hours na pwede naman gawin agad-agad? Tulad nga sinabi ni Senator Villanueva and Senator Migs. Nagtataka lang kami. At si Erwin nga nagsabi, pag hindi mo makagawa yan in 48 hours, iko-contempt ka. Pakipaliwanag. Okay, mabilis lang. Anong proseso ba dapat ang ginagawa para ito ay tuloy na matanggal?
So, Mr.
Yung pinag-usapan
Your
natin.
Your Honor, we provided 48 hours because one, as I've mentioned earlier, we want to give time to the BSP supervised institutions to take down those in-app links and icons to the online gambling sites. The other reason, Your Honor, is so that we will also provide time for the customers, for the consumers, to withdraw their funds from the online gaming account once they learn that we are already removing the links from the BSI mobile payment applications and websites, Mr. Chair. So within that time, for consumers who may want to take their money out from their online gambling accounts, they may do so, Mr. Chairman.